Hello, I'm Devika Bapat, and you are watching my channel today to make some really boozy cocktails. So, usually, what happens with cocktails is that people feel that they are too girlish and it's not masculine enough, and like they are just sweet drinks. But these people often forget that there are two and their variants. So, there are two cocktails which are so damn boozy that you just have one glass of it and, well, hangover. So, two of them are Bullfrog, the blue one, and the Long Island iced tea. So, we are going to make both of these. We'll start with Long Island iced tea and then we'll move on to Bullfrog. So, for that, we are going to need 5 white spirits, that is tequila, vodka, white rum, gin, and triple sec, and blue curacao in the red bullfrogs. I'm so sorry, and Red Bull too in the bullfrog, and some cola for Long Island iced tea, just to give it that tea kind of look. And plus, we have some lemon juice and some simple syrup. So, today's fun element is that I'm not going to use my shaker and my strainer or my muddler or anything. I'm going to use all these utensils which are readily available in the kitchen, because mostly it happens that we feel that to make cocktails we need the shaker, we need this, we need that, but no, all these simple things, they are just good enough. So now let's begin with the Long Island iced tea first. So Long Island iced tea is usually made in a highball or a tall or long kind of glass. So we have this glass. For measurement, now that I'm using everyday stuff, I have this cough syrup measure thing. So this is 15 ml. Now we are going to add 30 ml of all spirits. So I'll have to put two of these in each. So let's start putting all of these things in our makeshift shaker for the day. I'll start with some white rum. You have to add equal amount of all the spirits in both, like Long Island iced tea as well as the bullfrog. So an ounce of gin or 30 ml of gin. An ounce is approximately 30 ml, that is like 29.5 milliliters. So now that I have this 15 milliliters thing, ,30 ml tequila, damn, this is going to be so strong, 30 ml vodka, and 30 ml triple sec. Triple sec is a citrusy liqueur, so it adds a very nice tropical taste. It's actually raining outside right now, so I'm going to have so much fun finishing these drinks later on. Now this one is my lemon juice. I'll add ,30 ml of lemon juice and about 15 ml of simple syrup. This is our 1:1 ratio simple syrup, sugar syrup. I'm adding just 15 because we are going to top it up with cola later on. I'll put some mint leaves in this just for the flavor. Tamper with it. Put some ice in your glass. Put some lime wheels. This is our stirrer for the day. Put some ice in our makeshift shaker. And then give it a really hard shake, because there's so much alcohol in this, so we need to shake it really well. Okay, I hope it doesn't spill. Okay. So let's begin. Oops, I can't open it. Yeah, we open it and then simply pour it inside. Top it up with cola. Put a straw if you have one, or you can just simply drink it just like that. So I'll be putting a straw. I'll add some mint at the top, and I'll add a lime wedge. Lemon, lime. Yeah. And it's ready. Next one, we are going to make the bullfrog. Sometimes they often call it like just bully, because it bullies up your mind. So we simply repeat the procedure of an ounce of all the white spirits. In this, I'm not going to put the triple sec because we are going to add blue curacao later. So only that thing changes, and the cola in the iced tea will be replaced with our energy drink or the Red Bull. So I'm adding 30 ml or an ounce of each spirit, all the white spirits. There's no need to add any flavored spirit in this because we need the flavor of the Red Bull. It's a perfect blue drink, perfect to make you super high. So I have put 4 spirits till now. You can add some lemon juice or you can add pineapple juice to it. I'll be adding just 15 ml of lemon juice in this one, just to give it that taste. Let's add 5 ml of simple syrup, although it's not really required. Now we prep our highball glass. Let's add ice first. Let's add ice to our makeshift shaker for the day. No mint in this one. And then let's shake it. Again, we are going to give it a real hard shake, and it's spilling. Oops. Okay, you need to choose your vessels carefully because otherwise this happens. Yeah. Pour it. Always use different ice for the shaking and the glass. because presentation matters a lot in cocktails. So always keep that in mind. Now top it up with Red Bull. Fill the entire glass with Red Bull now. There's a little bit mint in this. And now we'll be adding 30 ml of blue curacao directly. We won't shake it. Simply top it up. Voila! You can add some cherries to it. I have a cherry garnish. Okay, wait. First, let me put the cherry inside and stir it. Again, we have a lemon wedge and we have a cute cherry garnish. Where should I put it? Put it here. And it's ready. Put a straw and you're good to go. And now our 2 drinks are ready and we are going to put it on our cart. And it's raining outside heavily. I'm going to give one of this to my roommate and I'm going to drink one of this. Okay, bye.